My name is Kaunas. I have a brother called Vilnius, who is trying to solve our sister Riga's problems. Luckily, I'm the one who doesn't have any problems. As a younger brother in the family, I like to steal some cool things from the older one. So this summer, I have already stolen more than 3,000 flights. And this is how Vilnius looks after it. Differently from Vilnius, I am crowded and full of people. But it's not a problem at all. Sometimes it's hard to take a selfie. But trust me, when you are in the open-air party on the main Old Town street of Kaunas, you don't even have time to do that. Compared to other cities of Europe, I provide the highest amount of green color. Green is everywhere here. Even on the streets, because of the bike revolution. It's true. By the way, I am the first city in the world that has already banned Despacito on the streets and even in taxi cabs. I hate that song. My brother Vilnius is fantastic, but I'm Kaunastic. It can't be described in words. You must feel it. You must repeat it. So come in and don't think about any problems. Go Kaunas this summer and then try to reach Vilnius.